Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Eclipse IDE on your Windows 10 operating system. So for that you need to just type Eclipse IDE in Google search, and this first link we will open. Okay, and click on download. Again there is option to download for 62-bit Windows. Here it is just giving the information about the nearest server and all. So click on the download button and it will start your download. It will take some time, 2 to 3 minutes. So we are here I'm just mentioning we are downloading the Thea version of Eclipse, which uses 11 and plus version of Java. Before Eclipse installation, it is asking for different type of integration to do a application development. So here we are simply using Java developer. So I selected that and click on the install. So before that it is asking for two options, JVM and the installation folder. So as I mentioned, Thea version of Eclipse uses 11 and plus versions of Java. So if we try to use our existing Java version, which is below 11, I have 1.8 here, it is not allowing. So here I am just using 11 and I try to import, but it is not finding any VM inside 1.8 version. Okay. So I will simply use 11. So proceeding with 11 and the installation folder. You can choose any folder. I'm just keeping the default one and the checkbox as is. This is the agreement. Just accept now, and yeah, again the installing process will take 5 minutes. In my case it is taking a little bit longer because I have 1.8 version of Java and I selected 11 version. Okay, installation is done. You can see the shortcut icon on desktop. You can launch from there or you can simply launch from here. Whenever we first time launch the Eclipse, we need to create a workspace. So I have created a Eclipse workspace under D, and you can check this box if you don't want to get this notification every time when you launch the Eclipse. This is your welcome page. You can cancel it. These are some quick links to use your Eclipse IDE. I'm just canceling it. Here you can click on new and Java project. Creating a simple Java project here. I will keep all the checkbox and settings as is. No change in JRE environment. Next. There are different options as well, but for now we are not using them. Just click on finish. Before finish, if there is any name convention issue, it will give you warning or error. We can correct it and finish. So here this module we are not using it. I will simply cancel it and delete from the src folder. I will create a main class, so I will create a package here, com.main finish. Under this package, create a class, main class. If it is your main class, you can check the checkbox public static void main. So Eclipse provide you the inbuilt functionality. You no need to type again and again. I'm just typing sysout and control space. It will ease your writing as well. We are going to run this simple program. There are different ways to run it. This is the green button. I saved it. Green button to run the main class. Or there is a run command in the main menu. You can run from there. So it is done. Your Java project is running properly. Thank you for watching. Hope this is useful for you. If yes, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe.